reckon out of all the gear that I take camping, I reckon I'd use this one the most. I'm not talking about my stubby holder, I'm talking about the Clearview Easy Slide. I'd pull the fridge out about 4 or 5 times every day when I'm out on the tracks or camping. Now, here's why I love it. You see, a normal fridge slide will pull out just like this. Now, the problem with this is a short bugger like me, well, you can't really reach inside your fridge and get things down the bottom. But with the Clearview, it drops down like this so easily, I can do it one-handed and still have a beer in my hand. How good is that? Clearview have thought about everything for the Easy Slide, and one feature I reckon you'll appreciate is the safety measures built into the lowering system. So say your hands are full and you accidentally let go of the handle, the Easy Slide will stop lowering immediately. It's so safe and easy, your kids can even use it too. Clearview truly is an innovative Australian company that solves real-world problems that us four-wheel drivers have. So to find out more information about the Clearview Easy Slide or many other great products that they do, jump onto the website at clearviewmirrors.com.au.